All right, what's up? What's up? What's up? Hold on 1 second, guys. Getting set up here real quick. There we go. All right. Getting set up. Sorry. Here we go. All right. All right. All right. Here we go. Wow. There we go. Okay, we're in. We are in. I don't know why the stream is looking like this right now. It's super strange. I might restart here. Okay, hold on. Super weird. See if that helps. There we go. We're back. Let's see if we get this turbo trade and also XRP. We're watching Bitcoin, we're watching everything. Let's go. One sec, guys. Hold on. Y'all probably streamed out by now, but we're on here. Let's see if we can get this turbo trade and XRP as well. Ooh, not looking good for that one. Come on. Come on. I'm watching Peanut here as well. Let's see if we can catch something. We'll see if we can catch something on Peanut here on the 1 minute. All right, let's see. What's XRP and still in the game. Where's Turbo? All right, Turbo, we're still there. We can get this here. Come on, Turbo. I possibly see another setup for Peanut here, guys. Hold on. All right, here is. Let's see. Hold on. Let me cut. Okay, we're in the green for Turbo. Let's see what we got. Chat, are you there? Let me know if the sound's good. It's being wacky on my end. All right. Let me set this up. Good morning. What's up? All right. Oops. Sorry, setting a couple things up here. Let me show you what I'm seeing for Peanut here. Kind of redrawing some things. Something like this. The entry is now. Boom. We'll see if we get this for Peanut. Let's see if we get something like this for Peanut, guys. What's good, Sniper Ridge? How's it going? All right, let's see if we get this. I don't know. This is very high risk. We just had a insane. This thing mooned. I entered this last night, and like way down here is insane, dude. I don't know how I got that. I was like 3,000% gains I sold this morning. It's absolutely nuts. All right, so setting this up in weeks right now. All right, we are locked in for Peanut. Let's see how we do on that one. Made some good gains on Sui and BTC. Nice, dude. Jasmine, I made crazy gains in Jasmine today. I actually sold the final right here. It's like 300%. Crazy town. XRP, no bueno on that trade. Well, we're still in it technically, but that doesn't look very good. Turbo, we are still in the green on Turbo though. So we got to hold this 200. I like this so far. I like the 21 curving up. Let's see if we get this trade, guys. Let's see. Come on, Turbo. Come on. Playing some games here. Let's see if we get it. I don't know. Looking interesting though. We're still in it here. Maybe it's this. All right, we're in. We're in the green, guys. Come on, Turbo. I'm monitoring Bitcoin on the side as well. We're getting a tiny little bounce here for Bitcoin. There's a nice flag potentially developing here on everything. So I'm watching closely. I'm definitely going to stream tonight as well, but I just wanted to hop on right now for sure. If you guys are here and you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe and hit the bells. We're going live like most days here, and this is a crazy, crazy run we're in right now, guys. We are scalping like crazy. It's amazing. Feel like I'm Batman, I'm feeling right. Talking to my mother, but she never can hear me. She was born deaf, but her heart is so endearing. Sitting in class, come on, man. Get a move here, Turbo. I'm watching BTC, it's like... Shut up, my guy Jack, man. He's a good friend. I go anywhere, I do anything. That guy's sucky, man. He the fucking dream. Every day before I left was a damn scheme. Didn't know what was left. I just need a damn team. Way back, long time ago. All kind of quiet. All right, here's the peanut trade I just put out too, and I'm locked in on peanut. So hopefully this moving average is 200 will push us up here out of this falling wedge. We'll get another crazy big move up. That's my plan. We'll see though. This 21 is pointing down. This has got to start curving, and if we get above the 21, that'll be like our move. Very high risk, low risk though with the stop loss. You know what I mean? So we'll see if we get that. We might not. There's a good chance we won't get this trade here, but it's all good. I got a 3,000% move right here. It was insane, dude. XRP trade, no good. We will wait for XRP to flag out. I am 6 wins this morning and 2 losses so far. Thank God. Everything's kind of just meh. All right. We definitely could lose out on this turbo trade right now if we don't get a bounce right here, which if we do, all good. The 1 minute on BTC is looking interesting with the 200 moving average kind of coming up the price. I'm watching for some type of flag to develop here. This looks a little head and shouldery though. See what I'm saying? Like shoulder, head, shoulder. So I really want to get a little bounce so this 200 MA can come up to price on Bitcoin right now. That would be great. What's up, Ed? Thoughts on Arrow? Oh, look. I don't know. I haven't seen it today. Bitcoin, just bounce a little right now. That'd be great. Peanut trade hanging on by a thread. That's all right. Crazy gains this morning, guys. This was wild. I'm monitoring Bitcoin tight right now. We will look at Arrow in a sec. One thing that's tempting is we don't want to give our gains back that we got this morning, guys. This was an absolutely crazy day. So we want to be very careful of trading right now. We don't want to give our gains back. There we go. Get a little pop. I like it. It's like almost like just a retest. You know what I mean? It's like testing it over and over and over. Test on this line. We just got to get above that 200 MA on turbo and above the 21. The 21's starting to... I don't know, man. This might push us down farther. And if we lose out on this trade, so be it. It's all good. But it's looking all right. Peanut, that's all right. We're still in it on the peanut trade here. Let's go. Here's the peanut setup right there for the 200 MA. I like these. I love these trades right here personally on the scallops because they're low risk. I'm doing high leverage but low risk. I think my entry was actually right here. But low risk because your stop can just be under the 200. You know what I mean? Like just right here, and it's nice because it allows you to kind of mess with higher leverage if you're confident in that. If you have practice in leverage. All right, turbo and peanut, we're still good, guys. All right, let me see. All right. Let's see if we get this one. Bitcoin's just gotta chill though. Bitcoin has to chill right here. Watch. And just wait for price I want this 200 to come up the price right here. Because then we can maybe start doing this. And then that will allow the other trades to kind of do their thing. It just looks a little head and shouldery. That's my only thing on this Bitcoin chart right now. So I don't know what's down there. Let me look really quick and then we'll look at, yeah, see, look. That would make sense on a 15-minute, unfortunately. I mean, on Bitcoin, that looks most probable. Right now, I don't want it to, but it looks most probable for Bitcoin specifically. We'll see if we get the other trades, but Bitcoin could come down to that 15-minute 21. And if it does, let's not be surprised. You know what I mean? But so far, we're getting a little bounce. This 200 MA could save the day here. But anyway, so peanut. We're gonna look at Arrow. We're in the peanut trade. Little in the green. Turbo, same. We're hanging on in turbo. We just got to get we really got to get above this 21 and 200 right here for turbo. So. Let's look at Arrow real quick. Arrow's coming down to that 200 on the 1 minute. Let's see. I mean, we got above the 1 hour 200, right? So that's huge. Super weird chart. It's almost like I had a falling wedge, came down out of the pattern, and now it's like it broke out, right? It's like, this is probably what this move, yeah, look at this. The 1 hour is cooked for sure, but on Arrow, but we got a broken pattern back into the pattern, no big deal. But look at that 21, dude, is gonna cross the 200 MA on the 1 hour though, and that's another 40% gain. So I mean, smaller time frames, it's kind of whack right now, but larger time frames, you know, looking decent. Coming down to that 200 again. All right, Peanut, let's go. Turbo's struggling a little. It's because Bitcoin's struggling. So listen, guys, if we don't get these trades right now, this is my plan. I want to see what price is gonna do, obviously, for Bitcoin. Let me see. Sorry, one sec. Doing something over here in weeks. I'm gonna lower my stop loss on the turbo just a hair. I'm just doing it. Just a hair. Just I'm willing to risk it. I'm gonna lower my stop loss like right around here, I think. Let me see. Yeah, right about there. Just in case. Give it a little wiggle room. I don't know if we'll get this one. The Peanut trade's looking a little better. Let's see what Bitcoin does right now, though. It's going to depend on Bitcoin, guys, because this is the plan right now. Is if we don't, yeah, for sure. If the 200 MA doesn't save the day on this Bitcoin price right now, we're probably going to come down to the 15-minute 21, which is right here. So that's most likely right now. So let's see if this 200 holds on Bitcoin. Let's watch that for a second. And we're gonna see if our trades, because our other trades are most likely gonna kind of depend on that. You know what I mean? It's right now. So let's see if we get a bounce. If you guys are new here, hit the subscribe. Hit the likes, help the algorithm. We're a new channel. All right, let's see if we get a little bounce here. Same with Peanut. Let's see if we get back up here from Bitcoin doing that. If it doesn't, guys, it's all good. If it doesn't, I'm gonna get stopped out on these small trades here, or the small stop losses, and then we're gonna reassess in a little bit. And I'm gonna chill. So if we lose this 200 MA on the 1 minute, I'm gonna chill and I'm gonna wait for price to kind of do its thing. But if we get a bounce, we could be all right. All right, let's go, Peanut. You need your gains today. Well, if you were with us earlier, man, we had the craziest amount of gains in the trading group today, guys. This is nuts. All you need is yourself, and you need risk management, and you need a plan, and you need to stick to your model, and you need to manage your account to where you're not getting wrecked. And that's the biggest trick. You could be the best trader in the world, but if you don't know how to manage your account, you're screwed. I put my my own free Discord, guys, in the description there if you want to join. It's a really great group of people. It's free. A lot of great energy, making crazy gains together. It's a really awesome community. It's in the description of this video here. All right, it's decision time on Bitcoin right now. Look, it does look like a head and shoulders. So if we lose this area, I'm not going to be surprised. We're going to go down to the 15-minute 21 probably. But if we get this area, if we get, you know, a bounce, then it could be good for Turbo and Peanut, which is what we're in right now. I think my stop loss is a little lower, actually. I'm hanging on by a thread on this one. And I'm kind of adjusting my trades, guys, to, like, depending on what Bitcoin's doing. You know what I mean? Like, I'm okay doing that a little bit. All right, come on. Come on, Turbo. Yeah, Pepe's looking interesting too. We got to get above this 21 and the 200 for Turbo. On the daily, Peanut looks like a cup and handle a bit. Yeah, for sure. Okay, well, we don't want... We might get rejected here. We're going to see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin actually looks like it might be getting a bounce here, guys. We're getting above that 21. I'm surprised. If we get rejected, I'm going to be totally like, yeah, that makes sense. Because this head and shoulders thing. But this 200 MA could definitely save the day here. This would be good for us for the other trades we're in right now. So Turbo, we're still in. Peanut, we're still in. Let's go. Guys, we have been freaking sniping these trades, dude. It's been crazy. Today, early this morning, I can't believe the gains I woke up to. It's nuts. So blessed, man. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you're just getting here, subscribe to the channel if you want to. We're going live a lot. All right, Bitcoin. Still getting a little bounce on Bitcoin on 200. If we can continue to get a bounce here on Bitcoin, the other trades might be in good shape here. So I love these trades right here because you can manage your risk with higher leverage, like when the moving averages are this tight. That's the stuff I've been kind of going over with some people. So altcoins, man, are so fun to trade. When you know what you're doing and you keep your risk management in the right spot, you know, the returns are awesome and they're fast moving. For me, for high leverage, guys, for me personally, I like doing scalps on the 1 minute for high leverage. That's my jam. We got to see Bitcoin hold this level. If not, guys, we're going back down to the 15-minute 21. So I'm gonna just tell you right now, highest probability is if we don't hold this level, we're coming down probably to here for Bitcoin. And it could take the rest of the trades down too. I don't know. So we'll see. We got to hold this 200 here. There is a little head and shoulders. See what I'm saying? So let's just like bearish scenario. You know, is that bullish scenario? For now, it's just create some type of flag top of the channel. That's what we're looking at. But moving averages are tight. I've seen this a million times where the moving averages are this tight and you'll get a bounce. So we'll see. Still hanging on by a thread here on Sullivan. So turbo above the 21. So the turbo trade, we're in all right position, but we got to look for, probably going to start doing this now. So like what I do in a falling wedge trade like this is it starts in a falling wedge, right? That's where I take my trade, and that's a reversal pattern. A continuation pattern is like a bull pennant. This is a reversal pattern. So you look for market structure to kind of change. That's what you look for a falling wedge. And you look at the moving averages. What typically will happen in a trade like this, which I like, is this will be a falling wedge. This is the move, right? What will happen is the 21, which is that red line, will start to curve up like this. And then you'll get some like higher high, or sorry, some lower high than this one. And it'll start to flag like this now. So you'll hit resistance up here. And then I like to draw it out like this. And then it'll turn into some kind of symmetrical triangle or bull pennant. And what I'll do with the bottom line, I will follow the trend of the red line. See the red moving average? Well, it's green right now. That's a trajectory projection, right? So wherever this red moving average goes, I will follow that trend line on the 1 minute. And it'll create a bigger flag. And then I guess what I get to do is something like this, and it's even a higher target. That's typically what happens when I catch a falling wedge like that. It's pretty sweet. Then you get a great entry and all that stuff. Let me know if that makes sense. I mean, maybe that's just mad science for myself, but that's typically what I do. So I'm going to wait for that. I'm going to watch for that. If we get above the 200 right now, this turbo trade could be in really good shape. I mean, regardless of what Bitcoin's doing, Bitcoin's struggling to hold that 200. Man, Peanut's holding it all right too so far. So I'm surprised. So if we get this trade, which I don't know if we're going to get, if we get it, it's going to probably flag out into some other bull pennant or some ascending triangle or symmetrical triangle, things like that. And that we will chase the flag, we'll keep drawing it out, and it'll actually become a bigger trade. That's generally what happens. I've been teaching a little bit of this stuff to some of my group here, and it's changing the game. It's for scalps, you know, and scalps to me are like that's the where the fun is for me personally. It's higher leverage, and let's see what Bitcoin does here. So far, it looks like Bitcoin wants to fall down here to the 15-minute, like I was saying, 15-minute 21, which would be healthy. This little head and shoulders would play out. If it gets it over with right now quick, I mean, the other trades might be all right, guys. We could get a crazy bounce here coming up. I'm just telling you. Look for a crazy bounce here on alts right now. Well, if we hit this 15-minute 21, look for a crazy bounce for alts. I'm telling you. Let's draw. Maybe right here. Let's see where the 15 is gonna land. Somewhere in here. We're almost there. Dude, the peanut trade's holding strong. Watch this, you guys. Watch this freaking happen right now. Potentially. This is what most likely is going to happen. Turbo trade still in the green. I like that we're above the 21. Watch this. Watch Bitcoin, dude. When we hit this area right here, watch when we tap the 15-minute 21. If we get the bounce on Bitcoin, watch the alts. That's all I got to say. Look at the Stokes are resetting. All right, here we go. Watch this here. Now, if we get a huge bounce, dude, I said it. Watch this, dude. If we get a huge bounce right here on Bitcoin, watch the alts, dude. This is where potentially a good setup is. And we're in the golden pocket area as well, depending on where you take it. Let me see. Well, 0.5. That's what it is. We're bouncing off the 0.5 right now. Watch the alts. Watch for setups. And watch in Bitcoin. If we lose this level, look for this golden pocket area right here for the 618. And if we lose that level, we're obviously going to look at the 786. That's our favorite. Let's watch the alts now. So as soon as Bitcoin gets a bounce, we got to look for Turbo. We're still in good shape so far. Watch, dude. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin bounced right now off of the 0.5. And then our other trades could be in good shape. This is the stuff you got to look at. There's the bounce, look. This is the stuff you got to get ahead of when you're correlating your trades with Bitcoin. You know, just because Bitcoin dumps doesn't mean the rest is going to dump. It just is an indicator. It's a North Star. Look at that, dude. Target right down. Target a head and shoulders right down to the level, dude. Right there. At support. I drew this yellow line. Now watch for alt setups if we get this continuation bounce here. Because we just hit the 15-minute perfectly. Like I said, dude. Look at this. Most likely scenario happened for Bitcoin. Let's watch and see if we get the bounce. Stokes look good on the 15. We should technically, probability are high that we get a bounce here for Bitcoin. So let's get rid of this. That played out great. We're getting the bounce so far. I sound like a sports announcer. So now, like I said, if we get the bounce here, we get continuation. Watch our trades. Do you watch the alts? Turbo's in a little better shape. Let's see what Peanut's doing. Peanut's hanging on, kind of blah. But you got to watch for good setups here. It's close to the 200 on the 1 minutes. Bitcoin's struggling a little. See, look. Let's see if we get another bounce here. Or we can come down a little bit lower to the golden pocket. If we don't get a bounce here, we can come down to the that makes sense right there. We can come down a little lower. I mean, this whole thing could dump in our face as well. Who knows? But the head and shoulders played out perfectly. So technically, I mean, probability-wise, we should get a bounce here, around here. On TradingView, what should I look up to set up a chart like you? Are you talking about like the colors and stuff? Is that what you're talking about, Rob? Oh, more stochastics and all that. Yeah. So what you want to do? So my stochastics are down here, right? All you do is go to indicators and go stochastics RSI, which is just you just type in this STOCH. It'll come up stochastics RSI, just like that. And then the moving averages. There we are. Come on, Bitcoin, get that bounce. The moving average. Yeah, I have two moving averages I generally use. The red line, which is the 21 moving average, and then the orange line, which is the 200. And that is indicators, right? You go to indicators up here and you type in MA. That's it. MA. And then moving average simple will come up. You click on that. And then the default will be at 9. Like if you go to inputs, the default will be at 9. And you change that to 200. Then you go to style. Then you can click your color that you want for that moving average. And then you do the same thing. You add the same moving average, just MA simple, whatever. And you add the same thing and change the 9 to 21 and then change your color of choice. Mine's red. That's how I do it. Come on, Peanut. What's Bitcoin doing here? Yeah, for sure. All right, so far looking good on that bounce, guys, on the 0.5. This is where fibs really come in handy. Fibonacci retracement. This is where it comes in handy. You can look for the bounce areas. You know, it's like I know if we lose this level, we'll probably come down to this level, 618. If I know if we lose that, we'll come down to 786, which is the most powerful in my opinion. But this golden pocket area right here in this region is a really, really good place too. So we also came down again to the 15-minute 21 moving average, which is a great. Stochastics are resetting. 15-minute looks amazing. So that's kind of where typically I would, you know, and I draw support and resistance. I trade with like a few different things, right? It's a handful of things and you look for it all to help each other. Gosh, come on. It's making us wait for this turbo trade here. Peanut too. Looking good so far, guys. I'm up 86% on this turbo trade already. So if we get this, it's going to be crazy. Right now, I'm going to raise my stop loss, guys. Raising my stop loss on turbo. Let's get it. Bitcoin's getting a nice bounce, like I was saying. And we're going to watch this. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Right off the 0.5. We're getting above that 21. This could be a good move here to create some kind of consolidation or flag, you know, for Bitcoin. Something like that. Peanut, we're in the green. Let's go. Yeah, let's get it. Dude. Back above 100K on Bitcoin. This 21, we got to watch here because it could reject us, but we could get up higher. Let's see. Turbo trade in the green. Let's go. Yeah. There we go. Dude, let's go. Dude, I'm up 133% on this. Yes, sir. I just posted that I'm up 130% on turbo already. I'm going to keep my stop loss super tight, though, just in case, so I don't lose that.
Were you in a cage at some point in your life?
And like I said, guys, we're gonna wait for this to consolidate too out of the falling wedge, and we're gonna make a bigger flag. That's just gonna be crazy. This is probably gonna, wherever this high stops and we get consolidated, that's gonna be my new high. Then this low, I'm gonna start dragging out and following where the 21 goes. And it's gonna most likely turn into something like this, and we'll get a larger move like this. That make sense? This is what I'm looking for now in turbo. So we're gonna go with it. The 21 is about to cross the 200. I'm gonna go back. That's a good sign. We're gonna keep pumping, hopefully. Bitcoin kind of getting rejected from that 21 though, so this is where we gotta be careful. We gotta watch and see. So if we got above that 21, that'd be great for Bitcoin and the other trades, you know. So we gotta watch that. Peanut, we are hanging on above the 21, looking good so far. Just gotta get above that 200. That'd be great. Pump it. Trying to be famous, way too many G's plugs don't make the A-list. I feel like the least important one in the room. It's like everybody that don't care, I assume. I feel like the least important one in the room. It's like everybody that don't care, I assume. Yeah, dude, Turbo just got listed. Alex, thanks for sharing that. Turbo just got listed on Coinbase. That's crazy. 19 years old, I made a play. Now I'm 21, shit is not great. I was born to live at a fast rate. What's up, Alex? Yeah, I just saw that, dude. Turbo got listed. We're in this long right now. We'll see. You know, I don't get too excited when I get listings. The reason why is because a lot of people will dump coins, or, you know, it's like, can be kind of sell the news type thing too, so it can go either way for me, honestly, for listings. Could be bullish too. To be honest with you, what is Turbo? I don't even know what it is. What, do you guys know what it is? I just trade it. 15-minute looks like it wants to blast, dude. And look at this, dude. Look at this. I'm actually... Falling wedge actually should go here. Yeah. 15-minute. Dude, that's my trade as of right now. Then we're gonna watch it. I'm playing the 15-minute trade. I just raised my stop loss up, actually. Let's go. Pump it up. It's a meme coin made with ChatGPT. No way. That's crazy. I didn't even know that. So you know what I'm gonna do? This is what I've been doing, you guys. Oops. Shoot. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. All right. You know what I'm gonna do? So at my target, I've been selling 75%, and then I've been leaving 25% in to see what happens. And it's so far, it's so good. You know, that's what I'm gonna do with Turbo as well, especially because it's a meme. It's like you never know, right? Bitcoin getting a nice little bounce again. The peanut trade is hanging on. Let's go, Turbo. Stop loss definitely going under break even right now on Turbo. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel if you want to. We got the free Discord link in the description there too. We are slaying these freaking snipes, dude. What did I do? 46% leverage on Turbo. That's a lot for this one. It's crazy. Bitcoin getting the bounce, like I said. Let's do it. Looks good, guys. Nice little double bottom. Look at that off the 786 again. Look at it. Perfect 786 bounce again. This should be really good for everything. All right, I want to see Peanut blast up again. What a move on this one this morning. Look at that. I got an alert. That's why I set alerts, dude. Jasmine looking interesting on the 1 minute. This might be a good play for Jasmine here. Let's see. Let's see if we get this Jasmine play too, guys. Let me see. I'm not in quite yet. Alright. Let's go for it. We're locked in. Let's get it. Jasmine Trey, let's see if we get this one. I don't know if we're going to get the Jasmine Trade. We'll see. Bitcoin's getting a nice little bounce, though. Come on, Peanut. Come on, Turbo. Turbo's still going, guys. Wow, what a move. What a freaking move. We don't like to play. Let's go, Jasmine. Kicking into gear. None of this is financial advice, guys. I'm just doing my own thing here. Turbo's ripping on Coinbase, no other markets. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Come on, Jasmine. Dude, I love these trade setups right here, guys. When you catch a falling wedge while Bitcoin's getting a bounce and you get above that 200 MA, dude, this is where it can be at, man. Like, we've been sniping trades like this. This is some of the old secret sauce. Stupid way to put it, but you know what I mean. Turbo's ripping. Peanut's just kind of hanging out, but we're in it. We're in the green. Let's go, Jasmine. 1 minute's cooked. 15 minute looks like it's starting to reset. So I would love for this, to be honest, I'd love the 15 minute to drag this 21 up to it and touch it. I would like to see that versus drop down to it first. But look at this bigger move, guys. This is the thing. This could be the retest. We got to be careful on this Jasmine scalp because it didn't come quite down to the level to retest. But look at this bigger move, dude. This falling wedge. Look. Oops. This is what's nuts. It's like, maybe we ride this whole thing. You know what I mean? Like, I already had a 300% trade on Jasmine this morning, and I just like, I'll get out of that. I'll take that. You could even raise your stop loss right now, just in case. You know what I mean? You could raise your stop loss right up here. Eliminate the risk. You can let it wiggle. I'm gonna let it wiggle just a little longer here, and then probably raise my stop loss just for my own insurance.
We're not the same kids no more. We're not the same kids. I can't even really hold you there. I know it's true. I feel you down, 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 only way around, only way to clown for you. You feel it under my head. I can't even begin to.
XRP would be. We tried to get that other scalp, but it wasn't ready. And it looks like this might be a good play for XRP as well, for on the 1 minute, if that 21 holds, because you could like drag price up there. You know what I mean? So I would watch XRP. I'm not in it right now.
The same kids no more. We're not the same kids. You don't get shit. I can't even really hold you.
Everything's just looking crazy right now. Turbo. Okay, guys, remember what I said? Pretty soon here, I'm gonna start drawing out my flag projection so that I can kind of adjust. So right now, see the 200 moving average? I can kind of assume it's gonna start to do something like this. So right now I'm gonna keep this something like this for turbo, and I'm gonna raise the stop loss a little bit. It's a little premature, but this is the stuff you gotta watch for. And if it bounces out of this, then I'll look for like a higher low, like, or a higher high than this. If it gets out of this, then maybe we'll look for it up here. Then I'm guessing, you know, speculating here, but it could turn into like a ascending triangle, inverted head and shoulders. See what I'm saying? And then the move gets bigger, and that's what I'm watching for right now for turbo. But I just changed the flag to this for now. So this, for me, this tells me we don't want to lose the 200. If we lose the 200 MA, I'm gonna definitely, my stop loss is at break even on turbo, because I don't want to lose that 200 MA for sure. And then I can keep, dude, like I'm 157, 160% in gains right now. I'll probably keep 100% gains if I get stopped out under that 200 if we even get there.
You might have to buy it to fully say the data pays for the glory of the night and clearly. Yeah, this shit for real. I might have to chill from the lonely nights. I know myself, I have to kill. You're the only one I know that I might have to steal. Oh, you bad? $1,000 says so. Only way I like it is a face though. $1,000 says so. Only way I like it is a face though. I'm in California and I wanna lie. Wanna be a bum, and I wanna try. You might have to die at 240, say the data pays for the glory of the night and clearly. I feel it under my head, they don't sweat this. I know you're waiting with dread, they don't sweat this. Little show of the night and
We'll see if we get this Jasmine trade. I mean, it's looking all right.
woke up in the worst way I can go. Of the night and I can't go. Woke up in the worst way I can't go.
Where's turbo? Bitcoin looking all right. Look, if we get above this 200 on Bitcoin too, this could be awesome. That could be great.
I can see you work so hard. I know what your purpose. I know that you've been so far.
Peanut trade still hanging on here above that 21, and I'd like to see it. This is probably going to turn into something else as well. You know, it's going to turn into some kind of ascending triangle or something. XRP. See, this is what I'm watching for right now. We get above that 200. I'm gonna look for another flag. Jasmine's kind of to me, to be really honest. I mean, I'm in it, but it just like I'm keeping that stop loss so tight on Jasmine right now. If I get stopped out of this one, I really don't care. Peanut, let's go. I know. Come on, dude. It's like I'm telling you, this is. I'm gonna start doing this. Actually, I think it's time. I'm gonna, you know me, you know my style. I'm gonna adjust my flag. So I got a good entry on that. But look, this is what we want to look for right now. This could take some time to play out. You know what I mean? I don't know. We're gonna have to adjust it more and more, but this would make sense. I don't know if it's gonna be that big, but like, we gotta follow that 21. So as long as this trend line holds on the 21, we're gonna follow that 21 moving average, and then we're gonna adjust. Okay, so we're looking at this for Peanut, which honestly takes the target even higher. That's if we get it, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. But I'm going to watch for that for Peanut right now. I'm going to post that update. And if we lose this, here's the thing. If we lose this 21 and this trend line on Peanut, I'm like, eh, oh well. You know what I mean? So I'm going to adjust that in weeks as well. I do this kind of stuff to help just protect the trades, you know? Because it's not worth it. It's like if it loses that 21, it's just gonna be weird to me. I'd rather wait and get another entry. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put my stop loss right below, guys. Right below. I'm literally gonna put my stop loss right here. If we get stopped out on Peanut, dude, so be it. I'll look for another one. If we get it, great. We might have caught a great entry, you know. But it does give us a larger target. There we go. So, kind of what we're looking at right now for Peanut. Turbo, how's Turbo doing? Dude, let's go! Bro. What? Look at, now we're getting the breakout here. Now we're getting the breakout for Turbo. This is like another move breakout. This is crazy. Yo, I'm up 255% right now, you guys. 263%. What? Wow. Dude, let's freaking go. Turbo, dude, just making the move. Look at that. And we extended the flag. We're getting another breakout on this flag, on the extended. It was a falling wedge. Dude, What a move, man. I think I'm still in Jasmine somehow. Let me see. Yeah, I am. I don't know if we're going to get this. How did I stay in that? That's weird. That's so weird. Yeah, I'm still in Jasmine. I'm still in. Oh, weird. If I get stopped out of this, I seriously don't care at this point. I'm like, whatever. But if we get it, that's gonna be funny. I don't know how I didn't get stopped out right there. Turbo, let's go. Still in Peanut as well. Turbo's the trade right now, man. This is the trade right now. Alright, I got stopped out of Jasmine. Thank God. Get me out of there. I really like my entry on Peanut, and I'm totally fine if I get stopped out. You know, like... Such a weird vibe on this, but if I get stopped out, I'm like, dude, cool, whatever. Pretty soon I'm going to put it to break even, you know what I mean? Turbo's the trade right now, though. Looks like it's, oops, flagging out. I'm going to set this up here. Lock it. There we go. A little cleaner. Be right back, guys. Pump up that price.
Yeah. Better days getting faded in memory. You change, you don't look the same. It's a shame what they telling me. Maybe a better me would've called more. Probably had popped out, not now. I probably should hit my pops out. I ain't see my cousins, but I'm often seeing kids around. Often I was out town, constantly see the road. Why I never show with family functions at auntie home. Gotta go, I see that nothing I'm holding was with my own. Can disappoint looking at me. Molly and my Hugo and faking happy. I still got homies that's lot familiar to back me. They been trying to act me, can't answer what they asking, answers didn't matter, but I'm telling them I gotta get gone. I spend too much time on my own. I know that I ain't been home in so long, and they hate when I don't answer the phone. I'm telling them I gotta get gone. I spend too much time on my own. I know that I ain't been home in so long, and they hate when I don't answer the phone. Memories don't fade. I would like to stay. Remembering that day. Only us. Maybe 'cause I figured it out. I tried, I know, I go. I go. You show, I know. You're always 2 steps away. I know you're always tired. I'm on you, I know you fly. Slowly doing it. Keep it right down, you dead. Memories don't
I know you wanted what you came for. Good old days, I couldn't look back the painful. Yeah, 'cause I'm born again. Only way you can. 'Cause you think I'm crazy. 'Cause I didn't move faster. 'Cause I used to lie to myself and friends. Only way to me now and again. Ooh, used to lie all night. Used to lie all night. Some is potential, some influential. I wanna know if you just wanna feel my words, wanna feel my words. 'Cause I know it's wanna go to play, wanna go to faraway play. I don't really wanna leave, you just wanna be so complicated, rudimentary. I see you underneath. I don't wanna play around. I don't wanna go there. I don't wanna know where. I see you calling me, and I know it's bad to get out of the place that we all could have the world. In the case that you call me, give to me partly what you adore me. Oh.
What up? We're still here. What's up, guys? Interesting price action on Bitcoin right now. 105 or 100,000. Look at this.
2 years ago, had a promise I'd taken. Don't even wake it. Didn't have to take it. I know what you're making.
Let's go, Baz. About to hit
I settled down.
Turbo Game 3 times. Appreciate it. Sweet.
Feel like home. But these nights, these days are old. I don't.
Bitcoin, look at that. Look at that interesting little zone. If we keep climbing, awesome. But we are at that 786 level. So interesting. Peanut trade looking kind of weird, to be honest, but I'm still in it. I'm just going to raise my stop loss to break even, guys, on Peanut. Stop loss is at break even on Peanut, which because we got a great entry. Why risk it all right there? You know, just boom. Not all, but you know what I mean. I barely got stopped out on Jasmine, man. That's funny. I'm not even mad about it though.
she'll walk away so calm. And I go, you know,
All right.
you know.
Guys, the trade of the day so far is Turbo. That's just it. We're going to continue to watch this throughout the day here. It's just looking great. So congrats whoever took this so far. I am still up 230% in Turbo. And I'm up 29% on Peanut. We'll see how this plays out. I'm going to bounce off for now, guys, but I'll be back on later. So subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell so you know when I get back on. But I'll also announce it in my Discord, which is also in the link in the description of this video. You can join the free Discord as well. But guys, happy trading. Let's freaking get it this Tuesday, and we'll see you guys. We'll see you guys later. Love you all for real. Wow, what a great day.